Did you know that mosquitoes are the deadliest animals in the world? They kill more people than any other creature, thanks to the diseases they carry. But there's more to these blood-sucking insects than meets the eye. Here are 21 mind-boggling facts you did not know about mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are the deadliest animals on Earth, killing more people than any other creature by transmitting diseases like malaria, dengue fever, yellow fever, Zika, and encephalitis. Mosquitoes have existed for millions of years and have thousands of species. Only female mosquitoes bite humans and other animals to get blood for their eggs, while males and some females feed on plant nectar. Mosquitoes can find their hosts by sight, heat, and chemical signals. They are especially attracted to carbon dioxide, body odor, and dark colors. Mosquitoes can surf on winds over entire continents, traveling up to 290 meters into the sky and potentially thousands of miles across land. This allows them to spread diseases over large distances. Mosquitoes bite with 6 needles, 2 of which have hooks to keep the skin open while they look for blood vessels. They also inject saliva that contains anticoagulants and enzymes that cause itching and swelling. Mosquitoes can't get drunk if they bite a drunk person, because the blood they suck is stored in a special pouch, not in their bloodstream. However, alcohol may make people more attractive to mosquitoes because it increases their body temperature and carbon dioxide emission. Mosquitoes have a very short lifespan, ranging from a few days to a few weeks depending on the species and environmental conditions. However, some eggs can survive up to 8 months without water before hatching. Mosquitoes are cold-blooded and prefer temperatures above 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 27 degrees Celsius. They become lethargic when the temperature drops below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius, and may enter hibernation or die when it's colder. Mosquitoes can breathe in as little as a teaspoon of water, which means any container that can hold water for more than a week can become a potential breeding site. Some common examples are flower pots, bird baths, gutters, tires, and trash cans. Mosquitoes have poor eyesight and rely on other senses to locate their hosts. They can see movement and contrast up to 30 feet, 9 meters, away, but they can detect carbon dioxide from up to 75 feet, 23 meters, away. Mosquitoes have a complex mating ritual that involves synchronizing their wing beats to the same frequency. Male mosquitoes can hear the wing beats of female mosquitoes from up to 30 feet, 9 meters, away and will fly towards them to mate. Mosquitoes are not only annoying but also beneficial for the ecosystem. They serve as food for many animals, such as birds, bats, fish, frogs, and dragonflies. They also pollinate some plants, such as orchids and cacao. Mosquitoes have a preference for certain blood types over others. Studies have shown that mosquitoes are more likely to bite people with type O blood than those with type A or B blood. They also prefer people who secrete certain chemicals that indicate their blood type through their skin. Mosquitoes have a remarkable ability to adapt to different environments and resist insecticides. They can evolve quickly by mutating their genes or exchanging DNA with other mosquitoes through mating or horizontal gene transfer. This makes them harder to control and eradicate. Mosquitoes are not found everywhere in the world. There are no mosquitoes in Iceland, Antarctica, and some isolated islands. The main reasons for their absence are the extreme cold, the lack of suitable habitats, or the presence of natural predators or competitors. Mosquitoes do not feed on blood indiscriminately. Some mosquitoes specialize on certain animals and avoid humans altogether. For example, Culiceta melanura feeds on birds almost exclusively, while Urinatinia sapphirina feeds on reptiles and amphibians. Mosquitoes can transmit parasites as well as viruses and bacteria. One of the most common parasites that mosquitoes carry is Plasmodium, which causes malaria in humans and animals. Another parasite is Dirofilaria immitis, which causes heartworm in dogs and cats. Mosquitoes have a sophisticated sensory system that helps them locate their hosts and avoid danger. They have compound eyes that can detect light and movement, antennae that can sense sound and smell, and hairs on their legs that can detect heat and humidity. Mosquitoes can fly very slowly compared to other insects. Their average flight speed is about 1.5 miles per hour, 0.7 meters per second, which means they can be easily outrun by humans or animals. However, they can also maneuver quickly and change direction in mid-air. Mosquitoes can produce different sounds depending on their species, sex, and behavior. The buzzing sound that we hear when they fly is caused by the vibration of their wings, which can beat up to 500 times per second. They can also make clicking, whining, or humming sounds to communicate with each other or attract mates. Mosquitoes have a natural enemy that can reduce their population and disease transmission. The bacterium Wolbachia can infect mosquitoes and affect their reproduction, lifespan, and immunity. Wolbachia can also block the replication of some viruses, such as dengue and Zika, inside the mosquitoes.